In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Outlook email. By the end, your Outlook inbox will be syncing directly into Pipedrive so you can track conversations alongside your deals and contacts without switching tabs. Start by signing in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look to the top right for your profile menu. Open it, then head into Personal Preferences and select Email Sync. This is where all mail integrations are managed, and it's the place you'll return to later if you ever need to adjust settings. Click Add New Account. Pipedrive will ask what type of mailbox you're connecting. Choose the Microsoft option that matches your setup: Office 365, Outlook.com, or Microsoft Exchange. If you're on a company plan, you might be on Exchange or Office 365. If you're using a personal Microsoft mailbox, Outlook.com is likely the right pick. You'll be redirected to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Complete the login and approve the permissions request so Pipedrive can access your mailbox. This authorization lets Pipedrive read and sync messages. It doesn't give it control over anything outside your email. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, keep your device handy to confirm the sign-in. And if you hit a permission warning, you may need your Microsoft admin to allow third-party mail integrations. Next, Pipedrive will ask about your sync preferences. Choose whether you want to sync all emails or only specific folders. If you want a clean, sales-focused view, consider creating or selecting a dedicated folder for work-related threads and syncing just that. This helps keep personal or unrelated messages out of your Pipedrive Mail tab. You can always return to this screen later to broaden or narrow what's included. Once you confirm your choices, the connection will be established, and Pipedrive will start syncing your Outlook emails to the Mail tab. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if your inbox is large, so don't worry if messages don't appear instantly. You can keep working elsewhere in Pipedrive while it processes. When the sync finishes, open the Mail tab to see your conversations populate. You'll notice that emails will align with your contacts and deals, making it much easier to follow up and keep context. That's it. You've connected Pipedrive to Outlook email, set your sync preferences, and kicked off the initial sync. If anything doesn't look right, revisit Email Sync in Personal Preferences to review your settings, or check Pipedrive support for troubleshooting guides tailored to your mail type.